Does the economic potential of the rapidly growing cannabis industry pique your curiosity? The world is progressively altering its view on cannabis, resulting in a tidal wave of opportunities in this flourishing market. Over the past few years, the industry has witnessed incredible growth, with an increasing number of companies joining the competition. However, our focus today will be on a select group of 4 companies. These companies have each been able to carve out substantial niches in the market, each with a unique narrative, a distinct approach, and a shared goal. Relentless growth in the cannabis industry's dynamic landscape. As we explore more, we'll delve into the tactics they've adopted, the hurdles they've conquered, and the potential they hold for prospective investors. We will be revealing these companies and their exceptional offerings soon. Are you ready to delve in? Let's begin our discussion with Curaleaf Holdings, a dominant figure in the cannabis industry. Having set up its base in Wakefield, Massachusetts, Curaleaf has carved a significant niche in the cannabis market, boasting a presence in 23 states across the U.S. As the world's largest cannabis company in terms of revenue and holder of the most expansive retail network in the United States, Curaleaf has set the bar high. Operating over 100 dispensaries, the company has an extensive reach that covers a broad consumer base. This wide outreach forms the backbone of Curaleaf's operations, facilitating the swift and efficient delivery of a diverse range of high-quality cannabis products. However, like any giant, Curaleaf has had its share of stumbling blocks, most notably regulatory challenges. These span from deciphering convoluted and frequently shifting cannabis laws to enduring the close scrutiny of regulatory bodies. Yet Curaleaf has shown remarkable resilience and adaptability, constantly refining its strategies to stay compliant and in the game. The company's aggressive growth strategy further sets it apart. Resting on its laurels isn't Curaleaf's style. The company is always on the lookout for opportunities to branch out and diversify. Acquisitions and partnerships play a key role in this strategy, with Curaleaf strategically buying assets that enrich its product offering and broaden its market influence. Case in point, Curaleaf's purchase of Grassroots in 2020 fortified its position as a cannabis industry titan. This move expanded Curaleaf's reach into new, thus increasing the total number of states it operates in to 23 and significantly boosting its customer base. Curaleaf's strong financial performance is another highlight. The company posted record revenues in first quarter of 2024, a clear indication of its solid business model and robust market standing. Despite facing a few challenges, Curaleaf's extensive footprint and proactive growth strategy make it a formidable force in the cannabis market. As we explore the realm of cannabis stocks further, keep Curaleaf's strengths and potential at the forefront. This is a company that is not just existing in the cannabis industry, but flourishing. Moving on to our second company on the list, Green Thumb Industries, a firm that has been causing a stir in the cannabis sector. Originating from the core of Chicago, Green Thumb Industries has swiftly expanded into a cannabis industry titan. Its market cap is undeniably remarkable, demonstrating how Green Thumb has entrenched its foundations in the soil of the American cannabis industry. One of the greatest assets of Green Thumb lies in its diverse and sturdy brand portfolio. The company takes pride in a range of brands that meet the needs of varied consumers. From the top-tier quality flower brand Incredibles to the health-centric Beboe, Green Thumb has a product in store for every cannabis aficionado. But what makes Green Thumb distinct isn't just the diversity, it's the quality. Each brand under Green Thumb's banner upholds a dedication to excellence, guaranteeing that consumers get the most out of their cannabis experience. This dedication has not only won the hearts of consumers, but has also escalated Green Thumb's position in the market. Nonetheless, every silver lining has a cloud, and Green Thumb Industries is no exception. Despite its sturdy domestic presence, Green Thumb's global footprint is comparatively small. Its focus on the U.S. market, although successful, does circumscribe its reach. This is a frailty that could possibly obstruct Green Thumb's future growth, especially as the international cannabis market evolving. However, it's important to highlight that Green Thumb's approach of solidifying its roots in the U.S. market isn't without value. The U.S. continues to be one of the most profitable cannabis markets worldwide, and Green Thumb's robust presence situates it well to leverage this. In summary, Green Thumb Industries is a formidable player in the cannabis industry. Its potent brand portfolio and commitment to quality distinguish it from the rest. While its global presence might be restricted, its stronghold on the US market is a testimony to the company's robustness and potential. Green Thumb Industries' potent brand footprint and consumer-centric method distinguish it in the competitive cannabis arena. The third company we will be discussing today is Verano Holdings, a company that has carved a unique identity for itself in the cannabis market. As a national, vertically integrated operator in the United States, Verano Holdings is known for its comprehensive suite of premium, innovative cannabis products. What sets this company apart is its unwavering dedication to quality and premium branding in the face of an increasingly competitive market. Boasts a diverse and carefully curated product portfolio, ranging from concentrates to edibles, with a distinctive focus on artisanal, hand-trimmed cannabis flowers. Their commitment to premium quality is mirrored in their cultivation methods that prioritize organic practices. Verano's meticulous attention to detail and persistence towards quality have resulted in various accolades and a loyal customer base. Not just at the product level, the company's commitment to quality extends to its customer service, with a knowledgeable team on standby to help consumers navigate their product range. This exceptional service has helped them build strong relationships with their customers, thus boosting their market position. Despite these strengths, Verano Holdings has its share of challenges, with its limited geographical presence being a major one. Even though it has made substantial advancements in several states, it still does not boast a nationwide footprint. This limitation can potentially hinder the company's growth prospects, especially in light of more states legalizing cannabis and the market growing increasingly competitive. However, Verano's adaptability and constant evolution of its strategies and product offerings give it the potential to overcome these challenges and continue on its growth trajectory. In conclusion, Verano Holdings stands out in the cannabis industry due to its premium product range, exceptional customer service, and adaptability. However, its limited geographical reach could be a potential roadblock. Nevertheless, Verano still holds a unique allure for those interested in the cannabis sector, offering a blend of quality, innovation, and potential for growth. Introducing the fourth and final business in our discussion, we have Trulieve Cannabis, the company boasting the highest market capitalization among the quartet. As we plunge into the captivating universe of Trulieve, let's unravel what constitutes its significance in the cannabis industry. Distinguished as a multi-state operator, Trulieve Cannabis marks an indomitable presence in the Sunshine State, Florida. The company has entrenched its roots deep into the Floridian landscape, flaunting over 70 dispensaries sprinkled throughout the state. With an assertive market share over 50% in Florida, the potency of Trulieve's grasp is unmissable. Their Floridian triumph can be traced back to a resilient business model that pivots around patient access and customer service. This adherence to patient care has secured Trulieve an unwavering customer base, mirroring their impressive sales figures. Yet beyond their market authority, Trulieve's fiscal well-being is equally noteworthy. The company habitually registers positive earnings, a feat not universally achieved in this fiercely competitive industry. Their hardy financial performance substantiates their sturdy business blueprint and strategic expansion intentions. However, Trulieve, like any other company, has its own set of weaknesses, with a prominent one being a substantial reliance on the Florida market. This dependence, although beneficial so far, potentially exposes the company to the perils of market concentration. Regardless, Trulieve is not complacent. The company is dutifully executing strategic maneuvers to diversify its market footprint, with recent procurements in states like Pennsylvania and West Virginia hinting a revision in their expansion tactics. In a nutshell, Trulieve's strengths are rooted in its market dominance, unwavering commitment to patient care, and robust fiscal performance. Granted, there are hurdles to overcome, particularly concerning market concentration, but with strategic expansion plans in motion, Trulieve seems adequately equipped to sail these seas. The company's robust market dominance, teamed with its promising financials, make it a hopeful contender in the cannabis industry, despite certain risks tied to market concentration. Now that we've looked at these four companies, you might be wondering, which one is the best investment option? Let's start by comparing the financial performance of each company. Curaleaf Holdings, with operations in 23 states and over 100 dispensaries, reported an impressive revenue growth in the past year. However, it's worth noting that they have also taken on significant debt to fuel their expansion, which could affect their future profitability. Green Thumb Industries, on the other hand, has a strong focus on profitability. This is reflected in their latest earnings report, where they announced an increase in net income, despite a lower revenue growth rate compared to Curaleaf. They've also managed to keep their debt levels relatively low, which gives them more financial flexibility. Verano Holdings, though a relative newcomer, has quickly made a name for itself with its aggressive acquisition strategy. While this has resulted in rapid revenue growth, it also raises questions about the sustainability of their business model. Can they continue to grow at this pace without overstretching their resources? Last but not least, Trulieve Cannabis stands out with its focus on the Florida market. They have managed to capture a large market share in the state, resulting in strong revenue growth and profitability. However, their heavy reliance on a single market could be a potential risk, especially if there are regulatory changes in Florida. Now, let's talk about future growth prospects. The cannabis industry is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of around 16% over the next 5 years, driven by increasing legalization and social acceptance of cannabis. All 4 companies are well positioned to benefit from this trend, given their strong presence in key markets and their diverse product portfolios. That said, there are also potential risks to consider. The cannabis industry is still in its early stages and is subject to regulatory uncertainties. For example, changes in federal laws could either open up new opportunities or create new challenges for these companies. Additionally, competition is fierce in this industry, and there's always the risk that a new entrant could disrupt the market. It's also important to consider the valuation of these companies. Currently, all 4 companies are trading at high multiples compared to their earnings, which suggests that a lot of future growth is already priced into their stock prices. This could limit their upside potential and increase their downside risk. So, which company is the best investment option? Well, it depends on your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking for a high-growth, high-risk option, Curaleaf or Verano could be the right choice for you. If you prefer a more stable, profitable company, Green Thumb or Trulieve might be more suitable. Remember, investing in individual stocks is always risky, and it's even riskier in a volatile industry like cannabis. It's crucial to diversify your portfolio and not put all your eggs in one basket. Consider investing a small portion of your portfolio in these companies and balance it with safer, more stable investments. While each company offers unique strengths and potential risks, they all represent exciting opportunities in the rapidly growing cannabis industry. Remember, always do your own research before making any investment decisions.